Alright guys, so in this video I'm going to be showing you a method I use to catch spikes on Boom and Crash successfully. It's very effective, and guys, if you stay tuned you will get all you need to be successful in catching spikes. You can make a whole lot of money catching spikes on Boom and Crash. Mind you, that is the safest way to trade Boom and Crash. If you trade Boom and Crash by trading against spikes, it is good if you understand price action and Boom and Crash very well. Else a trade you may run a trade profitably for the past 15 minutes. Just a single spike can take away the whole profit you've made and eat into your main capital. So that's why trading against spike is very safe. And why some people do not trade against spike is because they don't know how to do it. They don't know where the spike will be coming out. When I started, that's how it happened. But now I know where I'm expecting spike to come around, and once I get to that region, I place my trade, I wait for it, and I get the spike. That is it. So I'm going to be showing you. I wouldn't want to waste your time in this video, so take it from here. Now, what you'll be looking out for when you are on the chart, mind you, I'm on the 15-minute time frame. I just like trading on the 15-minute time frame. What you'll be looking out for is where there was spike previously. Like, look at the whole of this region. See what is happening here. You can see that spike happened. The first spike happened here. Then the second spike also happened here. This is the third spike here. This the fourth spike. Now, looking at this critically, you see that after the first one happened, maybe I should zoom in to this a little more. Let's see if that will help. Okay, things a little better now. Now you can see the first spike that occurred here. When the price got to this level, it crashed. When the price got to this level, it crashed down. Then it went up again, got to this level and crashed. Now this one also went up again. So it got to this level again and also crashed. Then this time around, the retracement got beyond this level where others were crashing, and as you can see, it had to get up to this level before it started crashing, retraced a little, then crashed back down. Now there is something you need to understand when you see these things. Now, after the first spike, if I want to trade this within this place, what I would have done if I was on the chart seeing this, what I would do is, after this first spike, I wait for the price to come up to this level. I wait for the price to come up to this level before I place a second trade. Now you might say, why, if I put it here, meaning I would miss the second one? Yes, that is true. This first one matters a lot, because each time price gets to this first one, it will want to retrace. So let's say I miss this second one here, because usually I would always want to place my trade somewhere very close to where the first spike occurred. So maybe before the price even got here, I would have placed my trade, placed a sell limit. So it is possible I will lose this one, because I wouldn't want to place my trade. I wouldn't want to place a trade from here. Why? We can only forecast the market. You don't know what the market wants to do. So if I cannot tell you I'm too sure it will spike, I'm too sure it will spike, no, I won't do that. So I will try to save my money. If I place my trade somewhere here, maybe in the next within 5 and 10 minutes, then I do not see any spike, I will close. I wouldn't lose too much. You need to apply money management here. So I use a reasonable lot size depending on my account. Then if after 5 to 10 minutes I do not get a spike, it doesn't crash, I am not going to lose much. So in that case, placing my trade here, if I place my trade right here where this crosshair tool is, then you see the price came back, and once it gets to this level, it spiked down again. Look at the length, look at the distance from here. It's long. From where it spiked till it gets, see, it's a very long spike. This spike, mind you, we are on the 15-minute time frame, can, let's say it has more than 3 15-minute candles, or about 3 15-minute candles, let's say up to 40 minutes candles. So if I had placed a trade, okay, let me not mention that yet. Now that's about 3 to 15, about 3 15-minute candles. Okay, let's say after getting the spike right here for this second one here, after catching this particular spike, then we wait for the price to retrace, and it retraced and got to this place. Then we place our trade as we did for the first one. You see, the price did not respect it. It still went up. It went up. After 10 minutes, I'll close my trade. But you see, when the price got to this level, it started crashing. Now I have lost a trade here right now. It means I have lost a trade at this point, and I have lost a trade here. Whatever I will lose here cannot be compared to how much I have made from only this one spike. Let's say I lose like maybe $3 here. $3 for that 10 minutes. You multiply that 10 minutes by that $3 by, let's say 45 minutes, because 3 15-minute candles is 45 minutes. Let's say the spike I caught gave me about 45 minutes, let's say 40 minutes. So if 10 minutes is taking 3, if 10 minutes is taking 3, is taking $3, then 40 minutes will be 40 divided by 10 times 3. So 40 divided by 10 is 4 times $3. Then that is $12. I've made $12 minus the $3 from the 10 minutes. That is about $9 profit. I'm still profitable, so I've not lost anything. I hope you understand the mathematics, even if I can write it on the screen. So that is it. So what you just have to do to get this strategy working for you effectively is to be looking for places of previous spikes. Look for areas of previous spikes. Look for areas of previous spikes. Place a trade when it is very close to the opening of that spike, and then wait for 5 to 10 minutes. Between 5 and 10 minutes, and you're out. You get a spike surely. Now you have to look at other places. Those, like, I wouldn't, if I had wanted to place a trade here, I would lose, or I won't even place a trade, because, like, let me show you what I'm trying to talk about. Look at the whole of this. The price is not getting to the previous opening, so I wouldn't even trade here. It doesn't matter anything as long as my money is intact. So I'll leave that one. Then look at this one here. There's an opportunity here. There's another one here. See, we have marked all those places I've marked. Will give you money if you trade there. See another one right here. See this can give you money. So once you do it for the first one, the second one, like now, if I had traded this one and gotten this spike, the next trade I will place will be with respect to this second one, with respect to this one here. Then I will get this one. I don't know if you understand. I will get this one. Guys, this method is too profitable. It's very, very effective. Now let's go to other places to check. You see, I will tackle this one too. I'll tackle this one too, this one here, and I'll make some money. I'll tackle it and I'll make some money. Then let's go. You see this one here also. Just check for the example. See this one here. See, I'll still make some money with this. Let's keep on checking. Let's be checking. Let's see from previous charts, guys. What you need to do is just be looking for where there was previous chart spike, and be waiting for price to get to that level again. Then you place your trade. Look at this region. Look at this is the first spike. Look at, guys. I mind you, the more you practice, the more you understand. See, guys. See, there is money in catching spike. So much money in catching spike. See, I'm telling you, 5 to 10 minutes. By the time you understand, you can be keeping your trade for up to 15 minutes, depending on how you understand the market. Because once you start, you need to study market and get used to it. So guys, I wouldn't want to bore you with all the stories. I think the video is already too long. What I've showed you is very effective. Please practice it, and comment below once you start making money. Just comment below, tell me what you think about the strategy. I have about 2 other strategies I use to catch effectively, and that will come in the next video. I'll share another one in the next video.